This video will give you 100 tips on how to use AI music. I will present 25 various ways to utilize AI music as a teacher, a parent, a friend, and a YouTuber. AI-generated music can be a fantastic tool to inspire creativity, enhance learning, and create engaging content across these different roles. Firstly, I will present how you can use it as a teacher. 1. Integrate music into lesson plans. Use AI-generated music to create custom soundtracks for classroom presentations or background music for reading time. 2. Music composition classes. Teach students how to use AI-generated music to compose their own music. 3. Soundtrack for school plays. Generate original music for school drama productions. 4. Enhance multimedia projects. Encourage students to add music to their video or audio assignments. 5. Cultural music exploration. Use AI-generated music to explore music from different cultures or historical periods. 6. Relaxation sessions. Play soothing music generated by AI during relaxation or mindfulness activities. 7. Music theory applications. Demonstrate how different elements like tempo, rhythm, and harmony are used in music creation. 8. Group projects. Have students collaborate using AI-generated music to create ensemble pieces. 9. Rewards for good work. Let students create a piece of music as a reward. 10. Educational games. Incorporate music into educational games to make learning more enjoyable. 11. Language learning. Use AI-generated music to create music with lyrics in different languages to enhance language learning. 12. Science rhythms. Generate music that reflects different scientific concepts, like the periodic table or the water cycle, to aid memorization. 13. Historical music recreation. Recreate music from historical periods students are studying to enrich the learning experience. 14. Make a song to each student's birthday using AI. It helps with creating a warm atmosphere in the classroom. 15. Make a song to a colleague if he or she is retiring, getting engaged, getting married, or having a baby. 16. Musical quizzes. Use AI-generated music to create musical quizzes where students identify historical periods, science facts, or language nuances through song. 17. Interactive music maps. Create interactive music maps for subjects like history or literature, where different regions or themes have associated musical cues. 18. Art class backgrounds. Generate music that reflects different art styles or movements during art classes to inspire creativity. 19. Poetry and music fusion. Encourage students to set their poems to music generated by AI-generated music, exploring the relationship between literary and musical rhythms. 20. Debate backgrounds. Use subtle music to enhance the atmosphere during class debates or public speaking exercises. 21. Multisensory learning sessions. Integrate music with visual and tactile learning experiences to cater to different learning styles. 22. Music as a reward. Let students use AI to create their own music as a reward for good behavior or excellent academic performance. 23. Create anthems for school clubs. Help different clubs within the school create their unique anthems to promote camaraderie and pride. 24. Music in physical education. Generate upbeat and energetic music for physical education classes to motivate students during exercise. 25. Improvisation lessons. Teach students about musical improvisation by modifying existing tracks created with AI, enhancing their understanding of musical structure and creativity. Now, I will focus on how you can use AI-generated music as a parent. 1. Lullabies. Generate personalized lullabies to help your children sleep. 2. Music for playtime. Create fun, upbeat tunes for children's playtime. 3. Educational songs. Make songs that teach numbers, letters, or basic concepts. 4. Birthday party themes. Produce music for themed birthday parties. 5. Relaxation routines. Use calming music during bedtime routines. 6. Family time. Engage the whole family in making music together. 7. Storytelling backgrounds. Create background scores for storytelling time. 8. Holiday music. Generate festive music for various holidays. 9. Dance parties. Have impromptu dance parties with lively tunes. 10. Learning musical instruments. Use background music to practice musical instruments. 11. Routine songs. Develop songs that outline daily routines. helping children remember tasks like brushing teeth or packing their backpacks. 12. Noise therapy. Generate white noise or nature sounds to soothe infants. 13. Interactive storytelling. Create background music for storybooks to make reading sessions more immersive. 14. Musical games. Invent simple musical games with generated music to teach children about sounds and rhythms. 15. Celebration anthems. Create a unique family anthem for special celebrations or family reunions. 16. Motivational morning tunes. Create uplifting morning music to help kids start their day positively. 17. Calm down toolkit. Use AI-generated music to generate soothing tracks that help children calm down during tantrums or after bad days. 18. Adventure stories. Turn everyday outings or trips into adventures with thematic music, making even a trip to the supermarket exciting. 19. Memory lane. Create annual playlists that capture the feel of each year as your children grow, using these in future family gatherings. 20. Learning languages through song. Use songs in different languages to expose children to new languages and cultures. 21. Nursery rhymes adaptation. Adapt classic nursery rhymes with new tunes using AI-generated music, providing a fresh take on old favorites. 22. Soundscapes for play. Design soundscapes that simulate different environments like jungles or oceans to spark children's imagination during playtime. 23. Daily routine songs. Customize songs that outline daily routines, making the steps of getting ready, cleaning up, or going to bed fun and musical. 24. Bonding through music. Spend quality time with your child creating music, using it as a bonding activity that fosters creativity. 25. Customized alarm tones. Create customized wake-up tones for your children, making waking up a more pleasant experience. You can also use AI-generated music as a friend, and here follow 25 different ways on how to do exactly that. 1. Gift personalized songs. Create and gift personalized songs for birthdays and special occasions. 2. Enhance gatherings. Use AI-generated music to create background music for gatherings or dinners. 3. Road trips. Generate custom playlists for long drives. 4. Mood music. Create music that matches the mood or theme of your hangouts. 5. Support emotional well-being. Offer to create music for a friend needing comfort or relaxation. 6. Collaborative playlists. Build collaborative playlists for events or shared interests. 7. Musical surprises. Surprise friends with new music genres or styles. 8. Workout playlists. Make energizing tunes for workout sessions. 9. Relaxation tracks. Share soothing tracks for stress relief. 10. Karaoke nights. Create unique backing tracks for karaoke sessions. 11. Customized relaxation tracks. Design tracks tailored to a friend's preference for relaxation or meditation. 12. Musical messages. Send messages or greetings embedded in music tracks for a unique touch. 13. Music swap. Challenge each other to create a piece using AI-generated music and then exchange them to experience different creative styles. 14. Guess the genre. Play a game where you guess the music genre of tracks. 15. Theme music for book clubs. Generate and share a playlist that matches the theme of the book currently being read in your book club. 16. Soundtrack your adventures. Create custom soundtracks for your group's road trips or vacations, enhancing the travel experience. 17. Healing playlists. Generate personalized playlists to support friends going through tough times, tailored to their tastes and emotional needs. 18. Celebration tracks. Make celebratory tracks for milestones like graduations, promotions, or engagements. 19. Musical time capsules. Create musical snapshots of your friendship over the years, reflecting different phases with different music. 20. Virtual concerts. Host virtual listening parties where you share and discuss music created with Suno. 21. Farewell gifts. Produce heartfelt music tracks as farewell gifts for friends moving away, encapsulating shared memories. 22. Workout playlists. Craft motivational workout playlists for gym sessions together, tailored to each friend's taste. 23. Pet playlists. Create playful music or soundscapes for friends' pets, enhancing their environment when left alone at home. 24. Encouragement tracks. Send music tracks designed to encourage friends during major life events like exams, interviews, or personal challenges. 25. Book soundtracks. Generate ambient music that complements the themes of the books your friend is currently reading. Finally, I will focus on 25 ways to utilize AI-generated music as a YouTuber. 1. Intro and outro music. Craft unique intro and outro music for your videos. 2. Background music for vlogs. Use subtle music to enhance your vlogs without overpowering your voice. 3. Review music tech. Create a review or tutorial on how to use AI-generated music for your subscribers. 4. Live stream backgrounds. Play live-generated music during streams. 5. Challenge videos. Challenge yourself or others to create a song in a limited time using AI-generated music. 6. Collaborations with musicians. Collaborate with musicians who use or enhance AI-generated music tracks. 7. Music reaction videos. React to AI-generated music, discussing its quality and uses. 8. Behind-the-scenes content. Show how you create music for your videos. 9. Subscriber engagement. Let subscribers suggest video themes and create music based on those ideas. 10. Themed music videos. Create themed music videos using AI-generated music. 11. Soundtrack challenges. Host a challenge where you or your viewers create soundtracks for imaginary movies or games. 12. How-to guides. Produce tutorials on how to manipulate and enhance AI-generated music for different types of content. 13. User-generated content. Invite subscribers to submit their own lyrics or melodies, and use AI-generated music to develop them into professional tracks. 14. Music genre exploration. Dedicate videos to exploring and generating music from obscure or hybrid genres. 15. Seasonal soundtracks. Create seasonal or holiday-specific music for your videos, enhancing the festive atmosphere. 16. Tutorial soundtracks. Offer step-by-step craft or DIY tutorials with custom background music that matches the pace and mood of the activity. 17. Viewer interaction tracks. Create tracks based on viewer comments or stories, making them part of the creative process. 18. Ambient music for studying. Produce a series of studying or relaxation videos featuring long-form ambient music tailored to focus and relaxation. 19. Behind the music. Create a series where you show the process behind making AI-generated music, including successes and challenges. 20. Epic fail or win. Use AI-generated music to create music that viewers have to guess if it's a fail or a win based on how it sounds, adding a humorous element to your channel. 21. Day in the life soundtracks. Create personalized music to accompany day in the life videos, matching the mood and activities showcased. 22. Mystery musical. Develop a Guess the Instrument or Guess the Music style series, using AI-generated music to generate unusual or hybrid music for viewers to guess. 23. Thematic breaks. Use AI-generated music to create thematic breaks in longer videos, keeping the audience engaged and providing clear transitions. 24. Custom challenges. Start a challenge where followers submit video clips, and you create fitting music for each scenario, showcasing the versatility of AI-generated music. 25. Interactive storytelling. Produce a series where the narrative unfolds both through video and custom-generated music, with viewer input directing the next steps in the story. These 100 suggestions illustrate how AI-generated music can be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of life and work, providing a creative and functional tool for enhancing educational experiences, nurturing family bonds, enriching friendships, and engaging audiences in unique and meaningful ways. Thank you for watching. I hope this will enlighten your creativity with AI-generated music. Subscribe to Beto in the Ghetto for more on AI-generated music.